What's up guys, TheHackSpot here, and this video I've got something really exciting to show you guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get custom unlimited watch faces on your Apple Watch, and this is so cool. It works on any Apple Watch, any series you have, and you get custom like Pokemon themes, you can get Mario watch faces, animated ones, and so much more. Louis Vuitton, McLaren, you name it. Alright, so let's jump right onto this video. So the first thing you want to do is click down below in the description for a link, and once you open that link, make sure it opens up inside Safari. By the way, wallpapers coming soon, all in one app for you guys, so I cannot wait, plus more. So stay tuned. We got something special coming for you guys on Black Friday, so you're gonna want to stay tuned for that, and it's gonna be amazing. All right, but anyways, enough of that. All right, so this is called Jing Watch Face. Now this will allow you to install custom watch faces on your Apple Watch very easily, and it's super simple to do. So again, down below in the description there will be this link. Open inside Safari, and there's the installation button. Let's go and tap right there, and it'll bring you right here. All you want to do is tap on install Jing Watch Face and hit install once more. Now once that is done, you want to X out of here, and you guys will see Jing Watch Face install you on your home screen. So there it is. Let's go and wait for it to down and install. And again, something special for you guys coming on Black Friday. But anyway, Jing Watch Face did finish. So let's go and tap on it. You guys can see we do get the enterprise developer. It's by Beijing. So let's tap on cancel, and what you want to do now is open up the settings application. Once settings is open, tap on general, and then scroll down until you find profiles and device management at the very bottom. So go and tap on it and tap on that profile. So for me it was Beijing, so I'm gonna go and tap right there. There is Jing Watch Face. So all we gotta do now is trust the application. So now we are good to go. I'm not sure if we have the app on our Apple Watch yet. Let's go ahead and get check. So it shouldn't be on there just yet, but it might take a few more steps. So enter my passcode. All right, so I don't see the app installed right now, so it's not installed right now. I'm just going to wait a little bit longer. Let's go into the Jing Watch Face application on our iPhone, and here we are. So allow notifications, enable that. Now you do have to make an account, and it's really just create a user ID and password. That's basically it. So to do that, what you have to do is go in the bottom right over here, and once you do, you guys can see that it has a login. And if you do not have a user ID, you can simply click sign up right here, and you can create one just simply like this. So all you gotta do is type in your user ID that you want to use, an email address, and the password you want to use. Agree to the terms, hit sign up, and you are basically good to go. That's how easy it is to create an account. So once that part is done, I'm gonna go ahead and log in. I already have an account, so I have not logged in yet. I'm gonna go ahead and log in real quick. All right, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and log in, and from there we will be able to have full access to all the watch faces that are available inside Jing Watch Face. So right off the bat, you can see I already do have some watch faces. So let's go just tap on the Rolex one, and let's go ahead and hit send to watch. So right off the bat, you will have some pre-installed ones just to go and test this out. When sending open Jing Watch Face on the Apple Watch, touch the watch screen on your finger. All right, let's go. All right. That's not what it said, but all right, anyways, let's go and see if you have the app now. So I'm gonna go on my Apple Watch over here. All right, let's go to apps, and Jing Watch Face is not there yet. Yep, still do not see it. Oh, okay. All right, there we go. Now it pops up. All right, so now it just showed up. All my apps moved around. All right, I'm gonna turn off my passcode temporarily for the purpose of this video because it keeps on asking for it. So, all right, there we go. Passcode is turned off. All right, and now we're good to go on that part. So if it doesn't show up for you, you guys can see now I do have the Jing Watch application, so I can go ahead and tap on it. That's what it looks like. I'm going to tap on it from here, and you guys can see the watch face I did select is now there. So if you don't see the Jing Watch Face application on your Apple Watch, all you have to do is install a watch face, which I'll show you guys how to do in a second, and then you should get the Jing Watch Face application just automatically pop up on your Apple Watch. So there you go. And this is just a very basic one. I'm going to be showing you guys some crazy watch faces. So anyway, let's go back to Jing Watch Face, and to install a watch face, all you got to do is tap on that middle button right there, and you can install a bunch of watch faces. Now, by default, you do get some currency to be able to download some watch faces. Unfortunately, the watch faces are not free, but some of them are super cheap. So this is how this works. Before you go over here, tap on the bottom right tab, and just to see how much you have available. So I can see I have 30 of that currency available. So if you don't have any, it says 0. What you want to do is tap on recharge, and you can use PayPal. So you can just go and tap on PayPal to use that for the transaction. And I can see $1 is equal to 5 of those currencies. So if you want to get more currencies and could download more watch faces, then this is how you do that. So again, just type in your user ID and the email that you used to sign up for this, and this are login regular ones, and then hit submit, and then you get to log in with your PayPal to basically make the payment. So all right, so once you have that done, you have some currency. Again, you will start out with some free currency, so that's cool. I'm going to go back into Jing watch face over here. I'm going to go tap on the middle tab, and what we're going to do is go and tap on top ranking. I can see a bunch of watch faces again it's going to install, but there are some that you can search for, so I would recommend going ahead and giving Jing watch face on Twitter a follow. So their Twitter will be down below in the description, and they do retweet and post a bunch of cool watch faces that have been released, and they tell the name of it too. So this is really cool. So anyways, they'll all be right here. You guys can see, you can scroll down, see any watch face you like from here as well. It's a nice way to browse through them. I'll be showing you guys this one too. It's called Jovo Rainbow or Jovo Rainbow. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. All right. But anyways, let's go back to Jing watch face. And let's go ahead and install some watch faces. So I'm gonna go over here. Let's say I want a Mario one. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in Mario. I'm gonna be spending all my currency for you guys. Okay. All right, so here we go. We got Super Mario ones, and look at this. You got a watch face for just about everything. I think this one looks cool. So I'm gonna go and tap right there. Yeah, I can see the price of it right there too. All right, it says I'm not logged in, but I am. All right, so let's go and tap on this right here to log in again. That was working. So I just went ahead and went back and I researched for it. So I'm gonna go and type in Mario again. Hit search. All right. And now it should work. So Super Mario, and hopefully it's going to say I logged in now. All right, there we go. And as you can see, we have the price right there. So it's $1.99 of their currency, which is, again, for $1, you get 5 of these. So that comes down to pretty cheap. But anyways, I'm just going to tap on add to faces, and let's go ahead and buy this one. All right, and just like that, let's see. I think I should have it just to make sure I don't want to rebuy it. Let's go over to the bottom left tab over here. And okay, all right, there it is. So all you gotta do now again is tap on it, hit send to watch. And now what we gotta do is go to our watch over here. And let's go ahead and go to the home screen. Let's open up Jing watch face. All right, and you can see now I have my Mario Apple Watch. So that is dope. That is really cool. Now, to make sure it opens up on this screen every single time so you see your watch face, what you want to do is X out of here, open up the Apple Watch application, and once over here, you want to go to General, and then scroll down until you find Wake Screen. Tap on the option, and over here where it says On Screen Wake Show Last App, you want to set to Always, so it'll always show that. And also, I have this set to 70 seconds, but I can leave it at 15 seconds. But anyways, what you want to do is make sure wake screen on wrist raise is also enabled, and the rest you can just leave as is. All right, so after that, we are basically good to go. So I can see now if I kind of lower my wrist and then also now bring it back up, it's still on the same watch face. So that is how that works. So cool. All right, let's go ahead and show you guys some more watch face because I'm sure you guys are eager. Let's go and do that rainbow animated one. So you can also type in animated and you go see a bunch of animated ones. So let's go type in animated. And just like that, we have a bunch. And the one I'm going to show you guys is again, Jovo Rainbow, which will show right there. And you can see the price next to it as well. This one also $1.99 in their currency. All right, so it's going to add to the watch face. You guys can see it's going to look dope. All right, I think I already bought it. All right, so I'm not going to hit it again. Let's go back. Let's go over here, and there it is. So it's going to tap right there, send to the Apple Watch, and just like this, if I go in and bring it up. Okay, what we got to do is actually force touch the screen. There you go. Now we get to the My Face screen right there. So go and tap right there. I can see all my watch faces right there. There's a Jovo Rainbow or Jovo Rainbow. And there you go. It's going to tap on the X, or it's going to exit out. If it doesn't, just tap on the X on the top left. And look at that. Okay. All right, how much currency do I have left? All right, let's see. Whoa, I still got a lot. So I got 26 left. Let's go ahead and install a bunch, and I'll get back to you guys with a small montage. All right, so the montage is about to start. Now, before actually going to start the montage, I do want to mention that while I was searching for different watch faces, I did come across actually quite a few free ones. So there are free watch faces available inside Jing Watch Face. You just have to do some searching. So as I do this montage, much. I won't be listing if they are free or not. So if you only want to install free ones, they are available. But the paid ones are definitely still super duper cheap. And also, they look amazing. So why not put in $1 and get 5 free of that currency? So it's really worth it. I only spent $6 in US dollars and I got so many cool watch faces as along with a bunch of free ones. So with that said, let's get started.